Hi friends, today we are doing the unboxing of the new MI phone. You can see it's a Redmi Note 5 Pro. So this phone I ordered from mi.com website, and you can see it costed me 14,999. I have not bought it from other e-commerce stores but directly from this MI website. Okay, and you can see all the specifications are mentioned. It's a Redmi Note 5 Pro, 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, black color, and you can see the HSN code, everything. And this is the amount, 14,999. I bought it from this MI website. So the phone has come with this kind of a packaging. This is the packaging from MI site, and that's the bill. So let's open the phone now. So this is how it is coming. It comes in 4 different variants: gold, black, blue, rose color. And behind us the phone, it is written it's a 5.99 full HD screen, 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera, and there is a 20 megapixel front camera. It is powered by a Snapdragon 636 processor and has a 4000 mAh battery, and it's based on MIUI custom Android OS. So this is a version which is black in color and 4GB, 64GB. So let's open it up. So this is a seal. Open the seal. So I'll show you what all contents are come. So there's a seal on this side also. This is how it's come packing. This is a phone. It has this protection on top. Plus I will show you what all is come in the pack. So the company is giving you one transparent cover, and this This is the booklets. This is the data cable. This is the charger. You can see the exact rating and all. It's a normal USB, and as you can see, this is not a C-type connector, it's a micro USB. Plus the company has given us a small SIM ejecting tool. And that's it as far as box is concerned. Now let me show you the overall device. So this is the side. And this is the SIM card slot. It's a hybrid slot. Behind there is one speakerphone, one mic, and 3.5 jack. On top there is a IR. In front, this is a 20 megapixel front facing camera, and behind it's you can see, let me confirm, behind it's a 12 plus 5 megapixel camera. So let me start this device for you. It's starting with this MI thing. It's a black in color, it really looks nice. It's a MIUI 9, so it's lightning fast OS. It's loading the OS. So it is asking you to choose language. So I am selecting English India, and next, so choose your region or setting India, so setting the region. Right now I am not connecting to any network. So I am accepting the terms and conditions and checking this, skipping this step. So that's it. Insert, okay. I think it's not allowing me. No, it's okay. So these are some options, screen lock, fingerprint. So these are the additional settings. This is the theme. So I am choosing the default theme, and this shows its setup is complete. You can see it's loading the apps now. Overall, it's quite the feel is very good to hold the phone in the hand and all. This is the fingerprint and the dual cameras. So that's it till now. I will post more videos with the detailed specifications and the demo of the phone, like the camera and the other features. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Have a nice day. Thank you.